Hey everybody, it's Cassie from Helper Tech Burnsville, and I just wanted to talk to you about camera lens repair. So this is obviously an LG G6, says it right there, and I just recently replaced the camera lens on here. Now that is something that we can do at either Helper Tech Burnsville or Helper Tech Eagan, now serving the Mendota Heights area off of Cliff Road and 35E. Stuff like this usually only takes about an hour, and we only charge $40 to replace camera lenses that are sit on the outside like this, because we can just peel it off and it's mainly just waiting for the adhesive to set. Now you don't need an appointment. Some of them we do have to order, which can sometimes take a couple of days, but you can always hold on to the phone until the part comes in. If you have any questions or want to see what the part availability is, you can give us a call at 651-605-2575, or you can stop here at Helper Tech Burnsville or Helper Tech Eagan and just ask. We're open until 6 o'clock during the week and Saturdays 10 to 3. You guys have a nice day.